What's your favorite game? Want to play peekaboo? Where's Avery? Where's Avery? Monster Avery. There she is. There she is. Want to get in your chair? Want to get in your chair? Yeah. Where's Avery? Where's Avery? Avery. There you are. There you are. Oh. Can you get out of the blanket, monster? You like the blanket, monster. You can't get into your chair with that big blanket. Are you trying to get into the chair with the big blanket? Good luck, girl. You can do it. Good luck. Oh, maybe I'll just play with the dog instead. Where are you walking? Oh, you're such a good little walker. Oh, look at you go. Whee! Nice job, little girl. Bye-bye.